Brian DiMambro. We're looking at an early 20th century massive folio, a folding linen-backed map of the White Mountains and central New Hampshire. It's published by the Scarborough Company of Boston. The map, as you can see, is enormously detailed. There are endless terrain elevations and specific place names, but perhaps most interesting is the inclusion in the key to the left of the title of the following features, which are carriage roads, poor and impassable roads, paths and trails for hiking, electric railways, elevations of summits, as well as Appalachian Mountain Club camps and reservations, and camps and huts, as well as post offices. It's a splendid large map relating to the White Mountains of New Hampshire, placed today about an hour north of us here in Dover, which many people visit year-round for skiing and outdoor hiking and so on. And this map is clean and well preserved. It readily folds up as it was issued here into a cloth folder, which we will see now, and it's currently available on my website, briandimambro.com.